If you want to turn off the screenshot sound on your iPhone, this guide will show you the exact method you can use. So first, it's important to know that iPhones do not have separate setting just for screenshot sound. You can't directly turn it off inside settings like other sounds. But don't worry, there's a simple way to silence it. So to get started, locate the ring or silent switch on the left side of your iPhone. So this is the small physical switch just above the volume buttons. Now long press until you see the silent mode. So this means your iPhone is now in silent mode and all system sounds will be muted, including the screenshot sound. Now try taking a screenshot by pressing the side button and the volume up button at the same time. So you'll notice that this time there's no shutter sound. If you still hear a sound, make sure your phone is fully in silent mode and that the switch is properly turned on. Another thing you can do is double check your volume. So even though silent mode usually handles it, you can also lower your volume all the way down using the volume buttons or through the control center to make sure no sound plays. So if you're using newer iPhone without the traditional switch, you can enable silent mode through the action button or control center depending on your settings. So just make sure your phone shows that it's muted before taking the screenshot. Also, keep in mind that in some countries, the shutter sound cannot be turned off due to privacy laws. So if your phone still makes a sound even in silent mode, this might be the reason. So to summarize, the main way to turn off the screenshot sound on iPhone is by enabling silent mode using the switch on the side of your device. And that's it. Once silent mode is on, you can take screenshots quietly anytime you want. Thanks for watching.